Hey guys, it's Sarah aka saradplans. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the February Planner Society kit, and I also subscribe to the washi add-on, so you will get to see that also. I'm sorry this video is a little late, but that's alright. So the first thing I see is this pen case, and I really like the floral pattern. The zipper has a little heart on it, and the inside just looks like the other pen cases that I've gotten from the Planner Society. I really like these. They come in handy. So now for the rest of the kit. So this is the bag this month, and it has that floral pattern again. It's really pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna put everything to the side and just show you one thing at a time. So first is the washi. Hopefully this is not focusing at all. Okay, let me try this again. So this is the washi that comes in the kit, and it is that same floral pattern that's on the pen bag. And the next thing I'm seeing are these like bobby pin clips. I don't really know what you call these. I've gotten these before in one other kit. So here's those. And then the pen is next, which also has that same floral pattern. And it has a gem top. Oops. I really like that. I love these gem pens. They're fun. Okay, then we have a stamp, which this is like the girl. Then we have all of the die cuts. So I'm going to really quick lay them out. And then we have these like gift tag journaling cards, and they have silver foiling, I think. Yeah. And then next are these like wood stickers. I like these. They add like a texture to what you're doing. Then we have some more like really big die cuts, I guess. Oh, these are like really nice. These are like bookmarks almost. So I'll lay these out for you guys.
So these are different. I've never had these in a kit before. I really like them. I think they're like bookmarks.
Then we have the tabs and stickers or labels. And these are the sticky notes for this month. These are really cute. I like those a lot. And then, ooh, I like these. So she did these before, all in white. They're just little pockets. So this time we have this gray one, and then a white one. That's the pocket. And then a pink one. I really like these. And then we have the stickers for this month. And then the last part of the main kit is the papers. So you get 3 decorative papers that are each front and back, so really 6. So here's the first one. And then this one. And this one. And then you get 2 pieces of acetate and a sheet of vellum. So this is the vellum sheet for this month. And then here's one acetate sheet, and here is the second acetate sheet. So that's it for the main box, and then now I'll show you guys the washi add-on.